How to customize invoice and estimate templates in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Zoho Books, and the next would be heading over to the top right hand corner of your screen and clicking on the gear or the settings icon. Now you are going to scroll down to where you see customization, and then you're going to be tapping on PDF template. Now make sure you're on Invoice, then you want to head over to New and tap on it. And by now on your screen you should see a whole lot of templates. You want to go through it and decide on the template that you would like to customize the invoice. And when you find the one you would like, you just want to go to it and tap use this. And when you tap use this, you would notice that it's asking if you want to change language. Now go ahead and select the language that you would like to use. For me, I want English, and I'll tap again on use this. And now you should see your invoice template on your screen, and then it's time to edit or customize this into what you would like. And the first thing to do is to change the template name. Now you want to change the name to whatever is suitable to you, and you can also change the paper size just in case you don't like the paper size the template came in. You can do that. And also you can change the orientation. If you want it in portrait or in landscape, you can do that. Now just in case you don't like how the margins are, you can go ahead and change the figures, but you just need to understand how it works. Now just in case you don't like the way the font of your PDF looks like, you can head over to font. You can click on the drop down and change the font type, the font size, and even the font color in case you want. They are all under font. Now just in case you need a background image on your invoice, you can go ahead and tap on background. Now you want to go ahead and look for the file or the image you want to add to background, and as you can see here, it has been added. Now for this to be added to your invoice, you need to click on save, and there you have it in case you would want a background image. Now moving over to the next, which is our header and footer. Now over here you can change the font type, you can change the font size, you can even change the color, the background color of both your header and footer. You can do that. Now let's head over to the transaction details. We have the customer details, the organization details, and guys, you just want to choose what you would like to see on your invoice or not by checking and unchecking the box. Now please go through it. For me, I like the way everything is arranged, so I won't be unchecking any box in this section. Now head over to the table section and also read through. You want to go through and check what you would like for your table or not. And for me, I like the way everything is arranged, like I said, and that was the reason why I went with this particular template. So I won't be checking or unchecking anything. You want to do this for the other sections on this invoice. You want to do that for all other sections on this invoice. Just read through thoroughly and know what you would want on your invoice and what you wouldn't want on your invoice. And when you are done and you are satisfied with the way your invoice looks, you want to go to the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you want to click on save for this invoice to be saved. And to set this invoice as default, you want to click on the gear icon on the invoice, and then you're going to scroll over to where you see set as default, and when you tap on it, this invoice should be set as your default for this Zoho account. So whenever you need an invoice, this should be what you would be using. Now guys, this is how easy it is to customize invoice and estimate templates in Zoho Books. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.